Hello guys, welcome back on a technology battlefield. Let's learn and watch. In this video tutorial, how to especially resolve or if any operating system is not installed on any particular drive, what can be basic detrimental, what can be the basic reason behind that, and how do you address it. Right now, see, I am unable to especially install an operating system in all the drive, either it is a partition 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in that condition, just we will create a suitable partition disk style. Suppose here, as we see, this operating system cannot be installed. Why it's so? Because of selected disk is of the ZPT style. So we will have to create this ZPT USB bootable flash fan drive. How do you create? That I will show you in the next tutorial. But at this moment, we would like to address these issues. So this is a ZPT USB flash pen drive. Just we will insert into the PC and thereupon right now see on this drive, especially partition 6, I would like to install. So just by a on a button, we will keep holding by and thereupon of course once again we will switch on. So see what will happens. It switch on and thereupon of course we will have to wait here. So by selecting here F11, yes, we will have to elect here F11 because boot menu we will have to elect. Different computer has a different specific key, but here, especially in this PC, I've elected F11. Let's see. It's not taken, so we will have to elect here anyhow. So just we are going to by switching off this once again, and thereupon keep holding F11 and switch on. Sorry, F11 we have to elect. F11 we have elected here. Now we'll have to go for UEFI partition disk SP pen drive. We will hit this once. We will see the result here. Scarcely it will take uh, hence 2 minutes. So now see we are here. Here what we will do, just we will go for next and upon all the trial application that we would like to once again revalidate any software that has been expired. So at the moment just we will go for don't have key, just we will go for I'm the pro, and of course we can go for home and no problem at all. Now I've elected this ones. Now we will go for next custom to it was a saying that not installed. So once again we will hit this ones. Yes, we have formatted now almost. We will have to wait here. Almost done guys, don't worry. Now it's done. Unlocated space, fine, no problem. I would like to hit this ones here to next. So couldn't be new partition disk. It's a saying that we could not create a new partition disk located and existing the more information to the setup log file. So guys, here of course we will have to, this cannot be installed. Show the device mbr zpt finds here. This one we will go for delete. It has been deleted now. Once again we would like to let's create once again. Couldn't we create new partitions? So in that condition, we would like to delete it. We would like to create here. So let's 0 0, and thereupon of course we will apply. Let's see. This MB is unlocated, and this one, if you would like to go for, do you want to? This is a partition 10. Let's hit this one. It has taken the finally, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. For the main inquiry, of course, they have the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible according to your query. After facing this kind of the problems, and that's why actually I decided to show you this. You will have to create a similar partition disk style, otherwise you will have the problem, this kind of the problem after formatting them. So that's why you have to create in another laptops and the same partition disk style, and thereupon you will have to go for. Once again, if you are getting this kind of problem, then you will have to fix right this way. Otherwise, if you have any confusion, there's a query below the comment box, and the pleasure would remains to the reply or the query, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.